If you'd like to edit a subpage on your site, you need to go into the levels options here. So a subpage would be anything under the main navigation. So depending on whether your site has some or not, you'll know by if there are green arrows. So to edit a subpage, you can just click on the green arrow and it will show you all the subpages here. And if you'd like, you can edit, of course, using the inline or the regular editor. If you want to rearrange your subpages, you just click on this blue wrench. And if you go down here, you can see this page level. So right now, this page is under the About on the main nav. So you can pick if you want it to be under Services or Products, Contact, any of those. So you just click on the one you want, and it will put it under the navigation.